So today we've gone to the Hainan Tropical Rainforest National Park here to see how many animals or things we can see here in the rainforest. So we just drove in. It's a nice day. It's a bit hot, to be honest.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space?
Right here. So we're at the altitude of 600 meters. Oh, apparently they got some animals here. Oh wow, it's a waterfall over there. That's pretty. I have no idea what to expect. I guess that's part of the fun, isn't it?
Try to be thankful first, I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling lips and calling. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my
met some
palm.
locals, gone with the locals to climb the mountain. Oh. How far is it? So it should take about 40 minutes to climb. Not really wearing the right type of clothes. Holly's in a dress. We decided to go for the rainforest. And high heel shoes, yeah. We'll make the most of it. You're really interested in how old trees are here. It's not too bad, at least they've made a path here, right? We didn't even know this path existed. We didn't see it. Did you? There's a lot of fish here, right? Not many fish, so we'll stop it. Where does this trail go to? Does it go to another waterfall?
它有一个是 very old like tree god, the colossal people believe that.
Wow. So at the top of here they believe they have like a tree god, right?
Yeah, like 1,000 years, 1,100 years.
Oh.
Oh.
Do they go there to pray for good weather or something?
Pray for everything.
Oh. These nice people are showing us around, telling us about some history of the place. You're going to see the tree family now. Yeah, go this one. How far is this walk, do you know?
I don't know. 40 minutes.
40-minute walk. 40 minutes up and down or 40 minutes to straight?
Down.
Oh, that's not bad. Oh. Okay, so the locals are saying here there's a special tree family. They pray for special things here in this area. So it's a very religious place, right?
But not allowed them to just do some religion stuff like here. Because here, they allowed you to use the fire.
Ah, there's some religious activities they can't do here because they're not allowed to light fires.
Yes. Then they shut down here.
So they shut this area down. You can see we're behind a gate. Ah, thank you.
Later we will visit the god of the tree.
Later visit the god of the trees. So here's a special tree they have here that's 2,000 years old. So there's people that are, they just showed us around here, the local people. They're really interesting. The man with the ginger dyed hair, he was saying that one of his neighbors in his community came back from Taiwan in the 1950s and hid a few huge baskets of gold somewhere in the mountain. But then he had to go to prison for 2 years. And when he came back, he couldn't find the gold. He looked all around the mountain, the rainforest. He hid it in a cave somewhere. And to this day, he still hasn't found it. So obviously, I don't know if it's true or not, but it's kind of an interesting story. They have a little legend of Diaoluo Mountain here, saying that apparently that they burned the mountain and it angered the god of heaven, which ordered the rain ban for 3 years as punishment, because they believe it's because they burned the mountain to grow grain. That's kind of interesting. Local people are interesting as well. They have lots of like legends and stories about the place. It's worth checking out on a cool day. Okay, so that's the end of this video. If you got some time, come check out Hainan's
Diaoluo Mountain.
Diaoluo Mountain, or Hainan's Rainforest.